So guys, welcome again to this channel. This is the legend, aka the Kingpin Drone Engineer in Nzoia. Today I'm in Nzoia County, a place known as Nzoia, and this is where we have a working tractor, and this one we are going to change the handle. It has been here for quite some time, and now we want to revive it. We want to get it back to the farm. Stick around and see what happens. So guys, this is it. This is how it looks like. The plow is the one I've been telling you guys, the best plow ever. This is it. There's some parts missing from this plow, but I'm going to connect it just soon enough. So guys, we have already finished installing the long handles. As you can see, the tractor is there, is having a long handles, and the ones that we have removed are these ones here. And also the gear lever, as you can see, it's long, and now the handles are also long. The plow is already set for plowing. I've already done the setting. Right about now, we just want to fire up the engine and see how it performs. So stick around and see how it happens at the farm. This is called clay soil. There is too much mud. The land is very muddy. So the tractor keeps on sliding every now and then. But as you can see, the product is really nice. It has worked. So we are hoping to go to a place which is very dry to see how the way it performs. But as for now, it's really nice.